I never said it. It's hard to talk when you were always acting tough. Something in your eyes, and you don't need someone to tell you life gets rough. The boy who made the movie made it all with love. Nothing left to chance. You won't be disappointed with.